Okay, so now we're going to measure the pen, but this time we're going to use pinto beans. I want you to notice how the pinto bean is a smaller unit of measurement. So let's see how many pinto beans it will take to measure the pen. Lining up the pinto beans. Trying to make sure we don't have any spaces. Remember what we talked about. Little bit of a space there. I think we can fit one more at the end. Okay, I think that's good. Let's see how many pinto beans it took. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pinto beans, but look how many clips it took. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are we learning from this? So what we should be able to see is that the longer your unit of measurement, the fewer you will use, and the smaller your unit of measurement, the more of this unit that you will use. Okay, so that's an important thing that we will need to know. Just make sure that we understand that. Now, the last thing we're going to look at are our assignments for today. We will be taking 2 papers for a grade. This is the first one. And you're going to do here exactly what we did when we modeled with the linking cubes. So here, for example, we see the lollipop. Up on top, you have the linking cubes. Let's see how many linking cubes it's going to take to measure the lollipop. Now remember, when we're measuring, it's from starting point to the ending point, right? So this would be the ending point right here. How many linking cubes is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? We're going to be making sure that we understand that it's ending right here. This was our start point. This is the end point. And so you're going to write the answer there, okay? You'll do the next one the same way. Here's a screwdriver. Remember, from starting point to ending point, you're going to count how many linking cubes it takes to measure the screwdriver. Now, also note that this is for a grade, so please, parents, make sure that we take a picture of this page and we send it to your teacher. It is for a grade. This is actually 1 grade. The other paper that will be for a grade will be this one right here. This is grade number 2. It is noted up on top. And this time we're going to be measuring the picture that you see there, but this time using paper clips. So remember what I said, make sure we have our starting point, make sure you have your ending point. And it's a good idea maybe to mark it with your pencil, and then you can get started with your counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would write the number 5 here. Now, one thing I need you to see, boys and girls, if you notice here, for some reason, the picture did not print out. There's nothing here. So I would suggest that you draw anything as long as you start it here. I'm just going to maybe draw a box like this. Maybe it's going to be an eraser that I have or whatever it is you want it to be. Just make sure, again, you have your starting point and your ending point so that you can measure your object that you drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I would put here 5 paper clips long. You can draw whatever you want here because apparently it didn't print when they ran this page off. And you will continue with the rest of the items on your page. And that is it, boys and girls. That concludes our video for today, Tuesday, March 31st. If you have any questions on what we're doing today, please do not hesitate to contact your teacher on Remind or Class Dojo. Have a great day.